Here's how the YouTube algorithm works in 2024 to 2025. You need to focus on these three things. The third one is much more important. So the first one is getting people to click on your video. You can have the most greatest video in the world, and if nobody clicks on it, nobody will see your video. But once you got people to click on your video, then you need to get them to watch. This is also important. If your video is terrible, they won't watch. Now the third part is getting value to the viewer. Viewer satisfaction. And you can measure this by this way. If you got people to click and watch your video, do they come back and watch your video? And when they come back to watch your video, do they click on your new video that you just made and watch it? Ultimately, you want to do is give the viewer the best experience you can, so that when they watch your video, they can return to your YouTube channel wanting more. That is what YouTube algorithm wants. Now, if you want to see 4 common mistakes that is destroying your YouTube growth, go ahead and watch this video on the screen now, and I'll see you on that video.